Why? What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Why? And today, guys, we're here with Silk Boss, Last Nation. Why? Silk Boss and Jahshii got it. Silk Boss just dropped a song like a month ago, 2 songs a month ago. Jahshii just replied a couple days ago. Silk Boss there again. Will I reply? Last Nation. Silk Boss and this Jahshii. Let's see what I say. I hear the one yet, but I see it pop up and somebody say message me and say, yo, run it. I'm say, why not? It would be rude not to. So let's go. I'm gonna wanna post in a bit comment section and come talk about me hate Silk Boss. Me not hate Silk Boss. Watch about the bumbuckler first song them from your review for Silk Boss now. Alright? So I'm gonna wanna pussy come try test. Alright? Alright, let's go, Silk.
I want you to slaughter that motherfucker. Chopping blood clot up like milk meat.
Jahshii start war and him run from me. She said them shaky like old smarty. The ghost take 1 month for answer me. Who if him dead body do him something well tragic.
Yo! The intro of the song.
I want you to slaughter that motherfucker. Chopping blood clot up like milk meat.
Jahshii start war and him run from me. She said them shaky like old smarty.
This might be a long review, because I'm going to try to pick up everything I say. So Jahshii start war, Jahshii him attack. Jahshii start war and I run from me. Him say Jahshii face shaky like an old smarty. You know when spanny get old and get feeble and get shaky.
The ghost take 1 month for answer.
1 month.
Who if him dead body do him something well tragic. Yeah, I hold that. Boost them up like supple gen for run up, make me show them. Aki walk and know the movements rifle me, I used to mute them. Fling about man 32 dead. That sang the wiki better than pray did I write the tune them.
Take off my glasses. Silk Boss, what I say a while ago? Silk Boss say this song weak. I better if I done pre did I write a tune them. So Silk Boss recognize that Dan Pre song a bad song. Dan Pre song is a bad song for real. So Silk Boss recognize that.
Yeah, I hold that. Boost them up like supple gen for run up, make me show them. Aki walk and know the movements rifle me, I used to mute them. Fling about man 32 dead. That sang the wiki better than pray did I write the tune them. Shut and
just hear him say now, just hear him call Dan Pre. You hear me call him man. What Silk Boss just call him? Dan Pre. But Silk Boss call him Nyam Pre. Silk Boss call him Nyam Pre. Silk Boss say I better if I Nyam Pre did I. I
used to mute them. Fling about man 32 dead. That sang the wiki better than pray did I write the tune them. Shot and knock and skull a crack, me coulda swear a 2 egg. 2 me sick in and me head them, say me lose me screw them. Hurrying, tell me what do them liquor fool there. Creature call me what they say kill that liquor you there. I saw me make it cake, clap him face, damage brain and lift. Him baby mother say no worry about him have to worry. Cause him youth favor poppins. All fuck breed.
Him youth favor who? Him youth favor who? Him youth favor.
Call me what they say kill that liquor you there. I saw me make it cake, clap him face, damage brain and lift. Him baby mother say no worry about him have to worry. Cause him youth favor poppins.
Say you drink poppins. A poppy him attack, you know, but him say poppins. So I said, are your friend a fucking baby mother? So the friend never talk about all this time was poppy. Me never know.
Face damage brain and lift. Him baby mother say no worry about him have to worry. Cause him youth favor poppins. All fuck breed dead them be a crutches.
Fuck breed dead. So from Nyam Pre, the fuck breed, that's a Dan Pre attack, you know. Yo, that song bad. Silk Boss. That one you connect.
Worry about him have to worry. Cause him youth favor poppins. All fuck breed dead them be a crutches. Me never pull up. Me left a hole in a them head just like a donut. Pussy things say him a man of steel and him a robot. When the rifle them a clot him face, she pass like when a 2-buck band fighter. He get up, road up.
Reference to Jahshii's song, Band Fighter. Get up,
the rifle them a clot him face, she pass like when a 2-buck band fighter. I get up, road up. As I informer, they get to know you. Love to use them out, me use the rifle, left to fall up. One box and left to teeth them on the floor. No hell me, I hold that. Both them up like couple gen to run up, make me show them. I can walk, you know the movements. Rifle me, I used to build them. Fling up a man 32 dead. That sang the week, better than I'm pre did right to tune them. I'm an can skull a crack, me coulda swear I 2 egg. 2 of me sticking on my mind, them say me lose, me screw them. Herwin tell me I do the liquor fool it. Get a call from Creature and him say kill the youth there. Because them murder ya. Last nation and do no murder. But them a put the pip and burner. Little boy go on down in the dirt, yeah. Murder ya. Last nation and do no murder. But them a put the pip and burner. Little boy go on down in the dirt. Trash you, you a try for bully. Your head about your brain skin out like an derby pussy. Send them up with anti-lucy.
Bombo class, second verse coming dark. All the money, yeah, get dark. That's you try for bully.
But them a put the pip and burner.
So, I'ma answer the part when Jahshii say I'ma put the pip and burner in his last song, Miggle Day.
Good boy going down in the dirt. Trash you a try for bully. Your head about your brain skin out like an derby pussy. Send
Jahshii, you try for bully. Your brain a bust, your head is you know, like Addy pussy, Addy.
Trash you a try for bully. Your head about your brain skin out like an derby pussy. Send them up with anti-lucy. Pretty girl me send for look him. I 1 o'clock she bust him head and send the picture to me. Mom me ball why me do this. You know see the boy a rookie. Wash out himself so me go finish give him a couple bullets. Shag.
You don't see the boy a rookie. Wash out himself so me go give him a couple. So basically me tell you say yo him go add to the bullets when him don't get ready. See me, him don't shot himself. So, might as well be just go shoot him up and yo, let me just say this. In them review when I do, in them reaction when I do, me can't be biased. Me not be biased, brother. Me not pick side, dog. That's what you need to understand. Me not pick side. If a song a fuckery, a song a fuckery. If a song bad, to me, my opinion. You see me? That's why you guys are watching, because you guys want to know what my opinion, what I think about the song. See? So, Jahshii, Silk Bass first song did weak to me. See me? Second song did yeah. This a song you know up there. This out of the 3 songs I sing, this are the best one to me. Out of the 3 songs they were aiming over Last Nation, you make it Last Nation. Over First Nation, sorry guys. Over First Nation, this one are the strongest to me. You see me? I think I think Jahshii's song could have been more direct. Jahshii called Silk Bass name like a couple times, but he never really got to what to say, yo, hey, yes, yeah, you me attack. So one song I feel. No, you see me? So I can carry on and hear him say.
Pussy send them up with anti-lucy. Pretty girl me send for look him. At 1 o'clock she bust him head and send the picture to me. Mom me ball why me do this. You know see the boy a rookie. Wash out himself so me go finish give him a couple bullets. Shaggy better talk to Scooby. Fool no bring nobody.
Shaggy better talk to Scooby. Scooby do. Whatever do.
The boy a rookie. Wash out himself so me go finish give him a couple bullets. Shaggy better talk to Scooby. Fool no bring no badness to me. If them a gas so go and go buy a soap from me mummy. Because them a
If them a gas so go and go buy a soap from me mummy. So you must say Jahshii mother sell soap.
Bring no badness to me. If them a gas so go and go buy a soap from me mummy. Because them a murder ya. Last Nation and do no murder. But them a put the pip and burner. Little boy going down in the dirt, yeah. Murder ya. Last Nation and do no murder. But them a put the pip and burner. Little youth going down in the dirt, yeah. Jahshii, you get up now.
Yo, you taking the fucking piss right now. Man said, Jahshii, you get up now. So obviously in a Jahshii Miggle Day song, them use massacre slang. Get up now. Po, get up now. So now Silk Bass had showed him now. Silk Bass had say, yo, get up now. So this show you said that song you never write and put on, you know. That song you never write and put on. Silk Bass just come up with it since Jahshii dropped Miggle Day. Jahshii for answer and direct, more direct, make the war get nicer, brother. Can't sing 1 song or 2 songs. Jahshii, remember say you did a fuck on the man first, you know. Why for that say? But remember say you did a try bully the man first and I troll him on social media first, you know. And now the man answer you gotta take 1 month. Come on, Jahshii, man. Give you a war, man. Give you a war, man. Answer back again, man. Answer back, man. Get up now.
I want you.
Get up now. Get up now. Pussy, get up now. Yo, the song bad. The song bad. Me can't take nothing from the song. Song bad, the tempo bad, the flow bad, the lyrics when I say bad, everything direct. Him shoot off Dan Pre to when call Nyampri. Jahshii, come on, dog. Come on, dog. You and Dan Pre get it another one, dog. You and Dan Pre get it another one for true. True. Then at the end, the man say, yo, pussy, get up now. Jahshii, get up now. Yo, why see it, dog? Why see it? Why you see it? Yo, only just worry me could just have a nice time and laugh, man. And just couple 3, 4, 5 years from now, you can go up on stage and reunite again and do it thing. And you know what I mean? That's what the bus a war, man. Come in, man. What a war, man. What a war in a dancehall, man. But anyway, people, this is what I'm going to leave on. If you enjoyed the one, I want to see more from your G, please leave a comment down below. Actually, subscribe also if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Get up now. Peace.